Hello and welcome back. It's been a while since I posted a video, but it's going to be a little bit of a short one for you, just to sort of show you what I'm running most of the time. Like when I do out and about pest control, especially at the minute on the rats. Obviously, game season started now. Got a lot of feed out, a lot of birds out. So keeping sort of wants the numbers down, and it makes great sport for us. So what I tend to be using a lot at this moment in time is the old faithful Airmaks Arms, and I absolutely love this. It is, as you've seen from some of the videos, I'm nailing rats at like 35, 40 meters, happily nailing rats at 35, 40 meters. And it comfortably chucks out JSBs like there's no tomorrow. Real tight groupings, you know. I'm talking sort of like, you know, like 10 mil groups easily. So anyway, enough about the groupings, but what am I using? At the minute, using the HIKMICRO Thunder. This is the 2.0, 19 mil, thermal, Dolphin bipod, but 9 out of 10 I'm on sticks. One thing I like about this, which is handy for pest control, even though it is a long barrel, it gives me the range and the accuracy really, but handy here, look. I say most of you not seen them, but get your 2 mags stored up nicely underneath there, always ready to rock and roll. If you want to, stock folds away, nice and compact, easy for travelling. Other bits and bobs I sort of tend to carry is my HIK CQ35L thermal laser rangefinder. Absolutely love it. Fortunate to win this one through Optics Warehouse. Thank you very much. Banging bit of kit, 100% needed. Also in this, which I thought was quite a good find. I don't know how well you can see it, so we'll just pop that out of the way for a sec. Little real tree neoprene style Bino case. Believe it or not, found this on the old Temu. 20 quid. Do you know what? Bang on, 20 quid. Obviously, spare batteries, pellets. Obviously, thermal in there on a little lanyard. Normally, phone was sitting here. So, got all my essentials, got everything I need to do. Yeah, bang on. So, sort of a bit of a rundown on what I'm carrying, what I'm running when I tend to go out and about on these late evenings. And hopefully, like I say, as it draws on a bit better, we'll get out with the bigger calibers I've got. And again, get out with more with Chris and his crate. You get an insight of what he's running, a bit more footage of, what these beasts can do. Especially, like I said, this one's a sub 12. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks' time, should get another variant FAC. Yeah, and hopefully out and about. But yeah, keep an eye out. I've got a couple more videos coming up. Again, more rat splatting. Who doesn't love a good splatting rat? Because I know I do. So yeah, thank you for watching. Again, subscribe, share, let people know. Ciao.